Today, we're making spicy, delicious, and super easy kimchi noodles. If you love Korean-style flavors, you're going to love this recipe. It's quick, simple, and perfect for a busy day. Before watching video, please like and subscribe our channel. For this recipe, I'm using these delicious kimchi instant noodles. They're spicy, flavorful, and perfect for a quick and easy meal. Start by boiling the noodles according to the package instructions. Once they're cooked, drain them and keep them aside. Try not to overcook the noodles because we want them soft but still slightly chewy. While the noodles are cooking, let's prepare our spicy sauce. In a bowl, I'm adding some chopped garlic, then I'll add kimchi seasoning and chili flakes for a spicy and flavorful taste. Next, I'm adding some chili sauce and soy sauce. Now I'm heating some oil until it's nice and hot. Once the oil is hot, I carefully pour it over the garlic, kimchi seasoning, and chili flakes. You can hear that sizzling sound. Now let's mix everything together really well. This hot oil helps bring out all those amazing flavors. Our spicy kimchi sauce is ready. The noodles are cooked, so I'm draining them well. Now add the boiled noodles directly into the sauce. Mix the noodles really well, making sure every noodle is completely coated with that delicious spicy sauce. And look at these beautiful kimchi noodles. They're spicy, flavorful, and incredibly easy to make. If you love spicy noodles, definitely give this recipe a try. And our delicious kimchi noodles are ready. They're quick, easy, and absolutely full of flavor. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next recipe.